For the past 17 years, Lloyds Auto Air Conditioning has serviced the Spokane and Coeur d'Alene areas in installation and repair of air conditioning, auto electric, and cruise control on all models of cars and trucks. Lloyds Auto Air Conditioning is known for their expert mechanics, quality product, excellent service, and fair pricing. So when the need of service or installation on air conditioning, electrical jobs, or cruise control units arises, visit Lloyds. Lloyds Auto Air Conditioning, the expert in cruising and cooling.